Hey, my name is Chris, and I wanted to share my hair loss story and how I recovered from it. You see, with us, it was in our family. My father suffers from it, and even my younger sister is starting to experience it as well. Actually, a couple of months ago, back when my hair was starting to fall out, literally, it was driving me crazy. So I went online and I did some research. I wanted to find a product that was natural and that I could trust that would help me with my hair loss. And I came across Provilis. They have an FDA approved product with real proven results. They're 4 out of 5 all natural ingredients that were specifically chosen to support healthy hair regrowth. I started using it in just 4 weeks short. I noticed my bald spots were filling in and my hair started to grow again. My sister couldn't even believe what was happening and the results I was getting. Long story short, her hair was getting thinner and was losing volume. So she tried Provilis for women for herself. Her results were simply amazing. All natural, and no side effects either. I personally really recommend this product. And hey, there's absolutely risk-free trial. You get 2 packages for free. Just click on the link below because it's really worth it. It worked for me.